Welcome to our Looka review. You can find our in-depth review article in the description. Lookover, previously LogoJoy, is the first AI-powered logo design tool. Using artificial intelligence, Lookover can produce more than 400,000 unique and custom logos option. Lookover provides the following features: Logo Maker, Brand Kit, Social Media Kit, Business Cards. Lookover offers 3 pricing plans: Basic, $4.99 per month, Premium, $7.99 per month, Business, $15.99 per month. Lookover combines your logo design preferences with artificial intelligence to help you create your logo and brand asset. All it takes is a few clicks and minutes. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please share it with your friends. Subscribe and like the video.